Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia, and today we're going to show you a few steps and the meticulous process of how the 2023 Kia Sportage is manufactured. The metal sheets for the bodywork are unrolled and then stamped and molded into shape by heavy automatic presses with as much as 6,000 tons of pressure. Wouldn't want to get in the way of that. These parts form side frames, hoods, roofs, and doors. Once the parts are ready to be assembled, the cars will move into the weld shop where industrial robots weld matching pieces together to form parts to the vehicle. See, not all robots are bad. The body is then sent to the paint shop, where it will be dipped in paint to ensure no section goes unpainted. Next, the heart of the vehicle, its engine, is assembled in the engine shop, then placed in the vehicle. Next, manufacturing employees will attach different parts, including seats, dashboard, the transmission, exhaust systems, drivetrain installation, and finally, its tires are furnished for the car to stand on its own. Afterwards, it will undergo detailing, which includes cleaning and layering chemical formulas to prevent corrosion and scratches. Then we test the vehicle's functionality to ensure proper performance before we get you behind the wheel. And now it's good to go.